कुछ अलग करना है यार, लेकिन करे क्या? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, अरे जल जा यार। ओ, आ गया। हे गाइस, व्हाट इज अप? आज है 5 फरवरी, रोनाल्डो का बर्थडे। हैप्पी बर्थडे। तो चलो यार कुछ बनाते हैं इनके लिए। हो सेट फिर से।
Around, don't get caught in the mosh pit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across it. Got a 40 on my hip and I'm liable to spark it. Throw down these hits, my click is indivisible. I aim, you drop.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're you and me. You're you and me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're you and me. You're you and me. You could be around, but you could.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon, and I end up alone. I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Ain't got no place to call my own. Feels like I'm better off alone. So sad inside and hopeless. These Hollywood hoes never notice. Can't get back on. You're gone, girl, I miss you. Can't get back on.
सेट।
I don't wanna fight anymore. Just turn around and leave me. The tear in my eye drops on the floor alongside my speed. My knees are drenching in the blood I spill just to get in. When I look around me, everything I had went up in flames. My lonely way. never pray to God anymore. I'd rather no one hurt me. Redemption, I have waited for you to come and drown all my sin. Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah. She needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got some.
सो गाइस पूरा वीडियो में हमने आग लगाने की कोशिश किया है, तो आप लोग भी लाइक बटन पे आग लगा दो और बस यार वीडियो को जितना हो सके शेयर करो, पसंद आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो। वीडियो क्यों लेट हो रहा है वो तो आपको पता चल गया होगा आज का वीडियो क्वालिटी देख के। सबसे पहले कॉन्सेप्ट सोचना होता है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा रिसर्च करके वीडियो क्लिप ढूंढना होता है, फिर ड्राइंग बनाना होता है, उसे एडिट करना होता है। इस तरह का एडिटिंग करने में 10-10 घंटे लग जाता है, तब भी आप इतना एंजॉय कर पाते हो वीडियो। लेयर और वीडियो क्लिप देख लीजिए। सो मैं लगातार 3-4 दिनों से इस वीडियो पे काम कर रहा हूँ, रात के 2:30 बजे 3 बजे तक काम कर रहा हूँ सिर्फ आप लोगों के लिए। सो बस यार सब्सक्राइब कर देना।
And we need your support. Thank you very much.